Right now, we're seeing a significant divergence in sentiment, with a score of -0.28 and momentum dropping to -0.40. This isn't just a blip. It's a clear shift compared to our historical baseline, where both metrics hovered around neutral. The current negative sentiment combined with declining momentum suggests growing pessimism in the Forex space that you can't afford to ignore. Our API returns a detailed payload that includes sentiment scores, momentum, and semantic clusters, allowing you to dig deeper into the underlying emotions driving these shifts. Imagine integrating this data into your trading strategy to adjust positions based on sentiment spikes like this. You can anticipate market moves before they become apparent to others. To explore how to leverage this powerful data, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.